my name is Mallory Mackey, and I was a bra specialist at Victoria's Secret for 5 years. Working at Victoria's Secret, a lot of women want to come in and know their bra size. So I figured I would show you guys exactly how to figure it out for yourselves from home. So to start, make sure you're wearing a demi bra or a sports bra. You definitely don't want to be in a push-up bra, because if you're wearing a push-up bra, it's going to mess up your results and they're not going to be accurate. So to get the band size, the first way is to go underneath your bust here and to measure it that way. So I'm getting a 29, so 29 inches down here, so I'm going to add 5 to it, which makes my band size a 34. Now that might be too complicated, and I think there's an easier way. So the easier way to do it is to go up here, above the bust, and relax your arms, and to measure it that way. And so I'm getting a 34 here as well. So that's my band size, a 34. Now you don't want to go too tight, because if you go too tight, like, oh, I want to be a 32, you're going to wear a bra size that's way too small, and it's going to be uncomfortable for you. So make sure you keep it relatively loose when you're measuring. To get the cup size, I'm going to measure over the fullest part of my bust here. And again, I'm going to leave it a little bit loose. So that gives me a 37. So what I'm going to do to get the cup size is take the full size here, so that 37, and subtract the band size from it, so minus 34. So 37 minus 34 is 3. So that gives me a C cup. So let me explain. If it's 1 inch of a difference, it's an A cup. If it's 2, it's a B cup. If it's 3, it's a C cup. If it's 4, it's a D cup, and so on and so forth, through all the sizes. So if I measured 36 here and 34 at the band, it would be a 34B. And in my case, it was 37 at the fullest and 34 at the band, so it's a 34C. So that's how you measure your bra size.